So let's start. So what we are going to do, good afternoon everyone, first of all. So first what we are going to do, we have already done our PT8, right? We have done the test. So we will do the revision of the chapter which we were reading, okay? We will do a quick revision for the chapter, okay? Till now whatever we read. I am going to ask some questions to you, give the answers for that. Okay. So the first question is, name the class that belong to the lowermost in the social ladder of the ancient India. Name the caste that belong to the lowermost in the social ladder of the ancient Indian. Is correct answer? Others, Ria and Shivani, you don't know the answer. Shaksham, what are you writing? The answer is Shudras. Shudras, we were having four Varnas in the society, right? We were having four Varnas. So, first was Brahmin, then Kshatriya, then Vaishya, then Shudras. So, Shudras were, yes, Shudras is the correct answer. They were at the bottom of the ladder. Next is, who was the important reformer who interpreted verses from Quran to argue for women's education? Who was the important reformer who interpreted verses from the Quran to argue for women's education? Yes. Saksham, correct answer. Riya, wrong answer. Raja Ram Mohan Roy has gone through various texts, but he has not interpreted the Quran. I have explained about this one. No, Shivani, he has not interpreted Quran. She was a woman reformer, and her name is Mumtaz Ali. We have read about Mumtaz Ali. When we were reading about the Muslim women reformers, that time we have read about Mumtaz Ali. She has interpreted the verses from Quran to argue for women. Which was the uppermost caste in the social ladder? Which was the uppermost caste? I just told. Yes. Saksham, correct answer. Riya and Shivani? Yeah. Brahmins. Brahmins are the correct answer. Okay. His support for women upliftment made him pass the Widow Remarriage Act of 1856. Who is being referred to here? His support for women upliftment made him pass the Widow Remarriage Act of 1857. Who is being referred to here? Shivani, correct answer. Others? Yes, Saksham, correct answer. Riya, don't know the answer. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Okay, name the personality who secretly learned to read and write in the flickering light of candles at night. Name the personality who secretly learned to read and write in the flickering light of candles at night. I have told about her story to you all. She was having two kids and she used to tear the page from the kids' book and she used to read that. Who is this personality? No one. No one remembers nothing. Okay. No. Saksham, wrong answer. Okay, one more hint I can give you. She was the woman first written her autobiography. Woman written or first autobiography. Riya, now correct answer. That is Rasundari Devi. That is the correct answer. Okay, I when I was teaching this chapter, I asked you who told you, I explained you who founded Theosophical Society. Now tell me who founded Theosophical Society. Wrong. Annie Besant have not founded Theosophical Society. She was elected as the president of Theosophical Society. She have not founded it. I have explained you who founded Theosophical Society when I was teaching the chapter. No, no one have correct answer. It is Helena Blavatsky. She founded the Theosophical Society. Okay, next question. Name the social reformer who worked for the upliftment of women in Maharashtra. Social reformer who worked for the upliftment of women in Maharashtra. Pick. Name the social reformer who worked for the upliftment of women in Maharashtra. No one? No, not correct, Saksham. It is Jyoti Rao Phule. The answer is Jyoti Rao Phule. We have read about Jyoti Rao Phule. Now tell me, which class belong to the traders and money lenders? Which class in the society belong to traders and money lenders? Correct answer. Shaksham, correct answer. Others? So the answer is Vaishya. So Vaishya were the group who belong to money lenders and traders. Next question is, name the important woman personality who wrote and published a book, Stree Purush Tulna, criticizing the social differences between men and women. Name the important woman personality who wrote and published a book, Stree Purush Tulna, criticizing the social differences between men and women. Correct answer, Riya. Saksham, correct answer. Riya, your answer is wrong. Saksham, your answer is correct. Shivani's answer is correct. Riya, your answer is wrong. The answer is Tarabai Shinde. Tarabai Shinde has written a book, Stree Purush Tulna. Okay. Where did the first primary school for girls start at? Which place? Girls' first primary school. No, Riya, it was not Aligarh. It was Maharashtra. The answer is Maharashtra, not Aligarh. Who translated an old Buddhist text that was critical of caste? Who translated an old Buddhist text which was critical of caste? Don't remember anything, right? Who translated an old Buddhist text which was critical of caste? Quickly, be quick, everyone. Be quick to answer. Quickly, quickly. No one got the answer till now. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy has translated old Buddhist text that was critical of caste. Okay. Under which Governor General did Raja Ram Mohan Roy initiated to ban sati? Under which Governor General Raja Ram Mohan Roy initiated to ban sati? Saksham, correct answer. Correct answer, Riya. Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck is the correct answer. In which language women of the aristocratic Muslim households of North India learn to read and write the Quran? In which language women of the aristocratic Muslim households of North India learn to read and write the Quran? That we have discussed in the class. Correct answer, Saksham. Others? That is Arabic. The answer is Arabic. Yes. So Saksham and Riya has given the correct answer. Brahma Samaj was founded by Dash. Brahma Samaj was founded by Dash. Correct answer, Saksham. Others? Shivani, what happened? Yes, the answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Next is the practice of sati was banned in Dash. You need to mention year. The sati pratha was banned in Dash. Correct answer, 1829. Dash encouraged widow remarriages in 19th century India. What is the answer? Dash encouraged widow remarriages in 19th century India. What will be the answer?
Please repeat the question.
The question is Dash encouraged widow remarriages in 19th century India. You need to write the name of the person. Yes, correct answer, Shaksham. You need to write the name of the person. Who encouraged? Riya and Shivani, we have already discussed this. I'm just asking in different form, the same questions in different form. In this also, you people are confused. Answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Dash was founder of Arya Samaj in India. Dash was the founder of Arya Samaj in India. Dash was the founder of Arya Samaj in India. Correct answer, Saksham. Arya, correct answer. Shivani has also answered. Only Riya and Saksham. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Correct answer. Can you people tell me which school was opened by Swami Dayanand Saraswati? Yes, DAV. Shivani, I asked which school? Not Gurukul Pathshala. Gurukul Pathshala was also there, but change of school was DAV. Both is correct answer. Widow's Home in Pune was established by. Widow's Home in Pune was established by. Widow's Home at Pune was established by. Ria, correct answer. Others, be quick. That is Pandita Ramabai. That is Pandita Ramabai is the correct answer. Dash was one of the Muslim women reformers of 19th century. Dash was one of the Muslim women reformers of 19th century. We just discussed about that. Okay, that is also correct. What about Riya and Shivani? No answer. Begum Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain, and also we have Mumtaz Ali. We also have the name of Mumtaz Ali. Next is Child Marriage Restraint Act was passed by the British in dash. Which year? Child Marriage Restraint Act was passed by the British in dash. No, don't remember. Correct answer, Saksham. Shivani, wrong answer. It is 1929. The answer is 1929. Okay. Next is when was Paramhans Mandali founded? When and where? When and where was Paramhans Mandali founded? When and where was Paramhans Mandali founded? Correct answer, Shaksham. Others? Riya and Shivani? The answer is in 1849 at Bombay. Next is who established the school for girls in Maharashtra? Who established the school for girls in Maharashtra? Who established the school for girls in Maharashtra? Correct answer, Riya. Others? So it is Jyotiba Phule. The answer is Jyotiba Phule. Next question is Raja Ram Mohan Roy focused on spreading dash all over the country. Raja Ram Mohan Roy focused on spreading dash all over the country. Options are Western education, second, religious teachings, third, casteism, fourth, untouchability. Correct answer, Saksham. What happened to Shivani? The answer is Western education. Dash were the castes that made shoes in Andhra Pradesh. Dash were the castes that made shoes in Andhra Pradesh. I am giving you the names: Julahas, Madigas, Harijanas, Kinnars. Julahas, Madigas, Harijans, Kinnars. Which is the correct answer? Question is who dash were the caste that made shoes in Andhra Pradesh? We have read a topic who could produce shoes. In that I have told Julahas, Madigas, Harijans, Kinnars. First is Julahas, then Madigas, then Harijans, then Kinnar. Saksham, wrong answer. I have told what those people are called when I was explaining that who could produce shoes. Arya, correct answer. That is Madigas. Who started schools for Muslim girls in Patna? Who started schools for Muslim girls in Patna? Who started schools for Muslim girls in Patna? Correct answer, Riya. Yes, Saksham, correct answer. That is Begum Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain. Correct answer. Dash were first to set up schools for lower caste and tribal children. Dash were first to set up schools for lower caste and tribal children's. Options are Christian missionaries, Brahmo Samaj, Prerna Samaj, Prarthana Sabha. Dash were first to set up schools for lower caste and tribal children. Christian missionaries, Brahmo Samaj, Prerna Samaj, Prarthana Sabha. No one has read the book. Shivani, correct answer. Riya, wrong answer. The answer is Christian missionaries. Christian missionaries were the first to set up schools for lower caste and tribal children. That we have read in previous chapter, Education 1. B.R. Ambedkar belonged to dash caste. B.R. Ambedkar belonged to dash caste. Which caste? We have discussed in the class. Saksham, correct answer. Mahar caste, correct answer. Now tell me, the Satnami movement was led by dash. The Satnami movement was led by dash. Yes, Saksham, correct answer. Others? Ghasidas. Ghasidas was the correct answer. Next question is, dash questioned religious texts that supported the caste system. Dash questioned religious text that supported the caste system. First is Haridas Thakur, Narayan Swami, Ghasidas. Fourth is Patel. First is Haridas Thakur, then Narayan Swami, then Ghasidas, then Patel. Which is the correct answer? Who questioned the religious texts that supported the caste system? I explained no. They asked that these texts were manipulated by Brahmins. They told that these texts are manipulated by Brahmins. In our early text, we don't have these things. This is the manipulation is done by the Brahmins. Yes, Shivani, correct answer. That is Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur is the correct answer. Dash was founded by Jyotiba Phule. Dash was founded by Jyotiba Phule. Which Samaj was founded by Jyotiba Phule? I think we have not read about this one. I was about to teach. Okay, I can tell you answer. I don't remember if I have taught this topic or not. That is Satya Sodhak Samaj. Satya Sodhak Samaj was founded by Jyotiba Phule. If we have not read, we will read about this in our next class. Okay. Next question, this I have taught you. Dash belonged to the Ijhawa caste. Dash belonged to the Ijhawa caste. EZHAVA, Ijhawa caste. Who belonged to Ijhawa caste? Shivani, correct answer. The answer is Sri Narayan Guru. Sri Narayan Guru is the correct answer. Haridas Thakur belonged to dash section. I am giving you answer. Matua, Bhil, Gond, Dubla. Riya, correct answer. Matua. Okay, thank you all for today. And in next class, and remember on Saturday you have test, remaining test, whatever you had today, that will be conducted on Saturday. The timing will be same. So give your test properly. And next we will have class on 7th, right? So we will continue there. Thank you everyone.